Hi, welcome to this week's Munchie Monday. My name is Kathy Brown and I'm a Wellbeing Ambassador with Campus Recreation and Wellness. And today we're going to make 3 varieties of roasted chickpeas. And today's ingredients are chickpeas, olive oil, ranch seasoning, salt and pepper, sriracha sauce, sugar, honey, and cinnamon. I have rinsed all the chickpeas and washed my hands. So I've separated them in 3 different bowls, and each of them will get half a tablespoon of olive oil. So the 3 variations of these chickpeas that we're going to make today are sweet, spicy, and salty. So the first one that we're going to make is with the ranch seasoning. We're going to add 1 tablespoon of the ranch seasoning. And then you can add salt and pepper to taste. Then we're going to mix it thoroughly to make sure all the chickpeas are coated. Next, we're going to do the spicy with the sriracha sauce. We're going to add 1 tablespoon of sriracha, and we're going to mix that thoroughly as well. Then the last one that we're going to make is the sweet. So we're going to add a tablespoon of sugar, cinnamon. I'm going to top it off with some honey. And while all this was prepping, we would have preheated the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And then we'll place them on a baking sheet. If you'd like, you could separate them in aluminum foil just so the flavors won't mix. For this tray, I have a divot in the middle so I can separate the sweet on one side and the savory and spicy on the other. And you want to spread out the chickpeas evenly just so there's more surface area for the oven to cook them evenly. Chickpeas are also a great source of protein that you can get in your diet. And now we're going to place them in the oven. And while the chickpeas were baking, I've cleared off the table just so we can easily transfer it to the table. And I placed heating mats just so we wouldn't burn the table. And now they're ready to plate. And now that they're out of the oven and plated, you can enjoy.